Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm not going to lie, I am nervous. I have used some street chalk, some sidewalk chalk, and I've measured my center, and I've guesstimated an arc that goes from that corner to very near that center. And I'm going to use the colors that I want, and I've picked them out. And I have some fluid iridescent gold from Golden, and I don't know exactly how this is going to go, but I know that I liked my little leftover bits yesterday. This is definitely a swipe. I tested out my colors to see if they were going to be okay. I swiped them on my Lolafy silicone mat. And I think they will. I'm going to do two separate sides completely. I'm going to throw my hot orchid. That's the purple flash from Folk Art. That's the amethyst metallic from Artist Loft. That is a red color shifting paint from Folk Art. This is the hot orchid mixed with my Floetrol GAC 800 mixture, which is not the recommended mixture. The recommended mixture is just water. Oh, come on, you can't block up on me now. I just made you up. Must be something in the tip. Alright, so I am going to go ahead, I think, and put a little extra something something right across the tip. So I have an edge. And I'm not going to drag this all at once. And I am going to use the black Amsterdam that has the pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added into it. And I'm going to try and use a copious amount. I'm going to make sure I get my edge right. And here goes nothing. I want some hot orchid on that edge just to be on the safe side. I want to make sure I have enough. I could have used some white metallic in there, and I kind of wish I had. I often load the pressure on the card because I don't want to take away too much of the selling action. I do have a small dish here. That's not as interesting as I was hoping for, but I'll give it a minute just to see what's going to happen. And maybe the white will help, maybe. And if this doesn't work, I'll figure something else out. Pour some paint all over the whole thing and have at it. I could use the white. No, I just put that on there. So let me grab another card. Yeah, that's more like what I had in mind. I like the extra bits. The in-between, the leftovers, the residuals in there, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to use my colors that are on my card to cover my ends. Hopefully this is going to be at least as, I'd like it to be interesting. I'm going to steal a little bit of paint from there. I might steal a little bit more than a little. I kind of want to put something different in there. I kind of want to leave it like it is and let it go. Oh, hello. I've realized that if I want black to not be so black. All I need to do is blow into it. Okay, so it's the moment. I have to decide to do something. I think what I'm going to do first is steal a little bit of paint from there, from nearby, and fix my edge. Because I can. Okay. Oh, you know what? I like that white in there. The metallic white. I might use a little skinny card in between. I really like the spoke action. I'm wondering if I can blow on that. And it looks like I can. Now I'm going to find my skinny little card, or cut one. While that develops, I have one. That's perfect. I like that. I'm not sure about that white blob. I guess I wasn't thinking about that. Sorry about sniffling. It is allergy season here and it's terrible this year. I want to use my skewer with my paintball on the end, but there's dog hairs attached. I definitely want to drag a few up and down. I think I'm going to camouflage that white right now. Yeah, that's not making me feel too bad. Steal a little color from here, put it over there, right out of my dish. Hey, I'm just learning. I'm always learning actually. Okay, so now it's time for my second side, and if at that point in time I want to do something else, I'll put an outside ring on there. And my colors are quite different. We'll see if I stick to my plan. I'm going to use some turquoise that I made up myself. This time I'm going to try make my spokes that get left behind more even by putting them down like I did when I started the painting that taught me I wanted to do more of this. It was supposed to be something different. Go, dog hair, go. I'm going to still use some gold. You know what? That doesn't look... I tried to split the different... Come on. It's the marble in there. And it's emptied. I don't use this gold very often. I just made up some for this small bottle. It's pretty pricey. I'm not sure. Actually, I really like that. I'm not sure I need any more turquoise that's exactly like that. I think I'm going to sneak a little bit of purple in. And probably some right across the end too. Why not? Because I can. That's the name of my first book. All right, I'm going to do it again. Oh boy. I'm going to push some of that toward the edge. I really probably shouldn't expect the cell activator to make it all the way around anyway. Even though that would be nice. Oh, I should have left those little gold dots along the edge. That would have been cool. I wonder if I can still do that. Probably not. Let's try anyway. Why? Because I can. Alright, so it's time for a smaller card. Because I might as well at least try and repeat what I did on the other side. I did that middle section with white. Do I want to do that? I guess I will. I will try. I want to go from one side and then the other. I want to start in the middle. I wonder if I can do that. It won't be the same as the other side, but at least I'll get to experiment. That kind of worked. Let's use a little less paint this time. I could even start with what I've got there, I think, if I wasn't right-handed. I think that worked. Crossing my fingers. I'm going to see if blowing into it will help. Not so much, but it is what it is. I need to wipe off my card, make sure there's nothing left from the other side on there. I don't know. That's kind of bugging me. It's a dry canvas, so if I'm quick, I can get things off again. So, now I have to contemplate whether I want to do that in black or just start over from this side over here, which is probably more likely what I'm going to settle for. So, one more card, same as last time. Then I get to decide what I'm going to do toward the center, which will include taking those chalk marks out. It's not as interesting as I was hoping for, but I'm just getting the hang of this. So, let me do the little card. Right there. They look like fans. Of course they do. And then take some of that paint again. Put it right over that edge. Do I want a little purple at the bottom? I do. I don't mind when the color changes. It just adds interest as far as I'm concerned. Oh boy. There, such as it is. If I want to continue over on the edge, I can add a little spoke design down below the uneven ones. I can always use my card to even up. It's a little lopsided, but I'm learning, like I said. So now, do I want to put anything? Do I want to wait till tomorrow to see how that looks? I kind of want white. That's weird. All right, I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I want to put the colors from one side on the other side. And I put, where did I hide the purple? I wanted the different purple. There it is. Ha. All right, that's not bothering me. There really isn't any blue over here. I suppose it could be a mistake. So I love you guys. There's over 95,000, excuse me, there's over 93,000 of you. I want to put some blue in there. I'm not even sure there is any blue in there. There is now. Alright, so the last thing is probably gold if I wanted to do that. There. I got 1 minute to tell you guys, if you want to contribute to help keep the studio rolling, then look for the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds on the end screen, and you'll find out what the monthly prize drawing winner has a choice of. The prizes will be shown first. And if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, and you can find those icons on my YouTube channel banner in the bottom right hand corner, you're automatically entered. I have over 2,000 videos. I love you guys dearly. If you're not subscribed, we'd welcome you to subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for being here. I am just sort of messing with that. It is what it is, and it's kind of cool. It's, you know, it's an experiment. What can I say? I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Looks good from up here. I'm going to try and zoom in. Not on the lines, though. On some of the cells. Alright, I post 7 days a week. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Sort of. Beeping.